everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now taking a lovely little ride in our 1955 Chevy Bel Air hardtop. Of course, you know the 55s are one of a kind, just like its brothers and sisters, the 56 and 57. 55 having its true beauty as the one we have here, featuring a dark turquoise and black two-tone exterior. Very nice to see they add different colors on your simple red and white, orange and white, or plain Jane colors. Riding on some very nice American Torque racing wheels with some beefy tires on it. Moving on to the inside, it is an automatic on the column, as you can see, having twin vinyl bucket seats. Of course, you can see the interior has been modified a little bit, but since this is a full-off restoration car, you do want something that has a little bit of a taste to it. Even the back seat having a very nice job on it. Cluster has been replaced to give you a more accurate thing. Instead of putting two gauges on the bottom, they decided to do it right, including the fact that it does have tilt column along with a upgraded steering wheel. Some of the basic functions you will see is it does have still the window cranks, old school door panels, aftermarket parts such as the 2-knob radio, still having its original clock, which is probably the best piece of the 55 Bel Air. Other than that, moving on to the engine bay with a clean setup of a 355 built small block. As you can see, some modification that has been there is the vintage AC. Best kind of thing you can get for an old school vehicle such as the 55 Bel Air. But of course, the 55 Bel Air does stand as a true icon of American classic cars, just like all of our cars at Skyway, which you can see at skywayclassics.com, and of course of all our YouTube channels, which are the lovely little rides I get to drive for free. But as for now, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, just stay tuned with us to see the underneath.